Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered, do aliens exist? Surprisingly, our very own Earth has places so bizarre you'd swear they belong to another galaxy. From acid-filled deserts and boiling lakes that resemble Mars, to glowing limestone formations that look like icy moons in deep space, we're about to explore 10 real places that look nothing like Earth. And trust us, you'll want to stay until the end, because number 1 will shock you more than anything you thought you knew about this planet. Top 10. Dallol, Ethiopia, the hottest inhabited place on Earth. Deep within Ethiopia's Afar Triangle, one of the lowest and hottest places on Earth, lies Dallol, a landscape that looks eerily like Venus. With an average yearly temperature of around 35 degrees, 95 degrees Celsius, Dallol holds the record for the highest average annual temperature ever recorded, according to NASA. The terrain is filled with neon green, yellow, and red geothermal pools, formed by minerals like sulfur and iron oxide. These surreal formations are the result of ancient volcanic activity, which still simmers below the surface. No plants can survive here. A salt mining settlement established in 1916 was completely abandoned by 1960 due to the extreme environment. NASA even uses Dallol as a natural test site for researching extraterrestrial life. But if you think only deserts can look this unreal, wait until you see what water can do next. Top 9. Lake Natron, Tanzania, the lake that turns animals to stone lake. Natron is unlike any lake you've ever seen. Located in northern Tanzania near the Kenya border, this highly alkaline lake has a pH up to 10.5, similar to ammonia. Its waters can reach 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees, and the salt content is so extreme that most life forms can't survive. But the eeriest thing? When animals die in this lake, their bodies are preserved and coated in a white layer of salt, making them appear petrified, like eerie stone statues. Oddly enough, the lake is a primary breeding ground for over 2 million lesser flamingos each year, as its harsh environment keeps predators away. A place that looks like the gateway to hell is also home to pink elegance. But have you ever seen a landscape so vibrant it looks computer-generated? Let's find out. Top 8. Zhangye, Danxia, China, the Rainbow Mountains. In Gansu Province, northwest China, lies a geological wonder, Zhangye Danxia, a range of rainbow-colored mountains. Red, orange, yellow, and blue stripes run across the rocks like brushstrokes on a painting. This phenomenon took over 24 million years to form, as layers of sandstone and minerals were compressed and lifted by tectonic forces. In 2010, UNESCO named it a World Natural Heritage Site. The best time to witness its full glory? Sunrise or sunset, when the golden light makes each color pop. It may look like digital art, but Zhangye Danxia proves that nature still beats any AI. Up next, a place so alien, even its plants seem out of this world. Top 7. Vale da Lua, Brazil, the valley that looks like the moon, hidden within Brazil's Chapada dos Veadeiros National Park. Vale da Lua, or Valley of the Moon, is a surreal landscape carved over millions of years by water and volcanic activity. The name isn't just poetic. This valley actually resembles the surface of the moon, with its smooth gray rocks, bizarre craters, and alien-like textures. The rock formations here are over 1.8 billion years old, making them some of the oldest on Earth. The São Miguel River carved through the volcanic rock, creating deep canyons, potholes, and natural pools that shimmer under the Brazilian sun, especially striking during the dry season from May to September. Because of the area's geology, the valley reflects light in strange ways, and some parts look almost metallic. It's a favorite spot for astrophotographers and nature lovers who want a taste of lunar terrain without leaving Earth. While Socotra offers alien trees, Vale da Lua gives you an actual walk across a moonscape. But now we're diving back into North America, to a place where solid stone flows like liquid. Top 6. The Wave, Arizona, USA. Nature's optical illusion. Hidden in the parched desert along the Utah-Arizona border lies the Wave, one of America's most visually stunning landmarks. Formed from 190-million-year-old Navajo sandstone, this twisted formation was sculpted by wind and rain into flowing waves frozen in time. Due to its fragile structure, only 64 visitors per day are allowed in, chosen by lottery, making it one of the hardest places to reach on Earth. Photographers wait patiently for the perfect window between 10 a.m. and noon, when the sun hits the rocks just right. When stone turns to surf, you know you've stepped into the illogical. But if rocks can ripple, what happens when water starts boiling beneath snow? Let's head to Iceland. Top 5. Hverir, Iceland. Sulfuric mud pools. On an alien planet, just below the Arctic Circle near Lake Mývatn, lies Hverir, a geothermal field that looks straight off Jupiter. There's no vegetation here, just red, yellow, and orange earth venting steam from boiling mud pits and sulfuric springs. The strong smell of sulfur doesn't deter the 370,000 tourists who visit Mývatn each year, with Hverir as a top stop on North Iceland Tours, 2023 data. In winter, you'll see white snow resting atop this fiery terrain, a mind-bending visual contrast. When Earth exhales beneath a blanket of ice, you know you're on the edge of fantasy. But in South America, there's a place where the ground reflects the entire sky. Top 4. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia, the world's largest mirror. At over 3,600 meters above sea level in the Bolivian Andes lies Salar de Uyuni, the largest salt flat on Earth, spanning more than 10,000 kilometers. During the rainy season, December to April, it transforms into a giant mirror reflecting the sky, making you feel like you're floating between worlds. Formed from the dried-up ancient Lake Minchin over 30,000 years ago, it's also one of the world's biggest lithium reserves, holding 50 to 70% of global supply. NASA has used Salar de Uyuni to calibrate satellites due to its near-perfect flatness, with margin of error under +1 meter. When you walk on clouds, you realize reality has a glitch. But what about a desert where stones rise like mushrooms in a burning Red Sea? Top 3. Dasht-e Lut, Iran, the hottest surface on Earth. In 2005, NASA recorded surface temperatures of up to 70.7 degrees, 159 degrees, in Iran's Dasht-e Lut desert, making it the hottest land surface ever measured on Earth. But the alien vibe comes from its landscape, colossal sand towers known as kaluts, reaching up to 150 meters, carved by centuries of wind erosion. There are no plants, no animals, no water, just deathy silence and surreal beauty. In 2016, the Lut Desert was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site for its unique geology. Some adventure tours now venture here, but only for the most experienced travelers. If a dead planet can look this magnificent, imagine one where fire and ice coexist. Top 2. Mount Erebus, Antarctica, Earth's southernmost active volcano. Rising out of Antarctica's icy expanse, Mount Erebus is the southernmost active volcano on Earth, standing at 3,194 meters, 12,448 feet. It contains a constantly boiling lava lake, one of only 5 on the planet. Temperatures near the crater reach 500 to 1,000 degrees, while the surrounding air can plunge to 40 degrees, creating a surreal scene of lava, ice, smoke, and darkness. Discovered in 1841 by explorer Sir James Clark Ross, Erebus is still monitored today from McMurdo Station, Antarctica's largest research facility. Fire burns in ice, nature arguing with itself. But only one place can claim the no one spot, a land so otherworldly it became a planet in science fiction films.
Top 1. Wadi Rum, Jordan, Mar. On Earth. Welcome to Wadi Rum, or the Valley of the Moon, a blazing red desert in southern Jordan. Its blood-red sand, towering limestone cliffs, and deep canyons have made it the filming location for The Martian, Dune, and Star Wars. Wadi Rum has been inhabited for over 12,000 years, once home to the ancient Nabateans, whose rock carvings still remain today. In 2011, it was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site for both its natural and cultural significance. Visitors can ride camels, take jeep safaris, or camp under the stars in Bedouin-style tents, feeling as if they've left Earth entirely. If there's one place that makes you forget you're still on Earth, it's Wadi Rum. From stone-like lakes and rainbow-painted mountains to deserts glowing like alien worlds, our planet is stranger and more beautiful than we ever imagined. You've just witnessed 10 mind-blowing places where the line between real and surreal almost disappears. So, where would you go first? Drop a comment below and let us know which place shocked you the most. If you love exploring the unreal, like, share, and subscribe. Every week, we'll take you to a brand new world. And remember, Earth isn't boring. You just haven't seen its most incredible side yet.